plus modulus of x minus 8 plus modulus of x plus 4 plus modulus of x minus 3 is what? So 4 options are given. Next step. Here each and every term is in the form of either x minus a modulus of or x plus a. Whatever it is, first equal to 0 means x minus 6, put x minus 6 equal to 0, then x equal to 6. Next, x plus 3 equal to 0, put x plus 3 that is equal to 0, then x equal to minus 3. Later it is 8, next minus 4, 3 plus 3. So how many numbers are there? 6, minus 3, 8, minus 4, 3. Let us write x values. 6, minus 3, 8, minus 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are there. Understand? First you write in ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. So this value minus 4, later minus 3, later plus 3, later 6, later 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the values are considered. So first step is taking ascending order. So strike out first one, last one. First one, last one. Next, this is called median. Already I said the meaning of median. Median means mid value. Therefore, the median m equal to the median m equal to 3. This is the median. Now let f of x equal to first function means x minus 6. Understand? F of x equal to first x minus 6, let it is x plus 3, take x plus 3 plus modulus of x minus 8 plus modulus of x plus 4 plus modulus of x minus 3. This is f of x. Now find f of 3. Modulus of 3 minus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus modulus of 3 minus 8 plus modulus of 3 plus 4 plus modulus of 3 minus 3. So that is equal to 3, 6, 5, 7, 0. That is equal to 10, 10, 16, 21. So therefore, second option is right. So this is the procedure. Once again, find the minimum of this function. So first, put x minus 6 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0, x minus 8 equal to 0, x plus 4 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0. Obtain all the x values. Here, x values are successively 6, minus 3, 8, minus 4, 3. List out all that kind of x values. Later, arrange in ascending order. Okay. So first list value minus 4, minus 3, 3, 6, 8. Later, find the median of this ungrouped data. These are the observations like that. X1, X2, X3, X4, X5. Okay. Find the median like that. So for that, strike out first element and last element. First element, last element. So this is m equal to 3 median. So find f of 3, whereas the given total function is f of x. So f of 3 means put x equal to 3. So 3 minus 6, 3 plus 3, 3 minus 8, that is equal to 21. Okay, this is the process. Understand? Yes, sir. A factory is operating in 2 shifts, day and night, with 70 and 30 workers respectively. If per day mean wage of the day shift workers, per day mean wage of day shift workers is 54 rupees, and per day mean wages of all the workers is 60. Total mean 60. Then find the value of per day mean wage of the night shift workers. This is the question. Here, a factory is operating in two shifts. First shift day, second shift night. This is the day. This is the night. This is the night. Day. How many workers are there? 70. 9 to 30. So this is N1. It is N2. Right. If per day mean wage of the day shift workers is 54 rupees, means X1 bar, the mean of day workers is X1 bar is equal to 54 rupees. Next, X2 bar, the mean wages of night workers, we don't know. This is the question mark. Next, combined mean total means X bar is equal to X bar is equal to, what is that? Here all workers is 60 rupees. This is 60 rupees. Understand? But the formula, the combined mean X bar is equal to X bar is equal to N1 X1 bar plus N2 X2 bar divided by N1 plus N2. So that implies X bar is equal to 60, that is equal to N1 70. 70 into X1 bar 54 plus N2 30 into X2 bar divided by N1 plus N2 70 plus 30 100. So therefore from this equation we solve for X2. So that implies by cross multiplication 100 into 60 later minus 70 into 54 whole divided by 30. It is called X2 bar. So that implies understand X2 bar that is equal to 74. Understand? This is X2 bar. Okay? Right. Next the problem. Let R be the range. Range means greatest value minus least value. It is called the range of the data. Right. And this value 1 by n minus 1 into sigma xi minus x bar whole square is equal to some s square. We denote like that. Next, if s square is less than or equal to r square into k, then find the value of k. This is the question. Right. Actually, sigma square is equal to for ungrouped data sigma xi square. I mean to say that I equal to 20n minus x bar whole square. Okay, so that implies sigma square equal to 1 by, we can write this is as sigma xi minus x bar whole square. Both are of same forms. Remember, both are of same value. So that implies by cross multiplication n into sigma square equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, that implies from the given equation, sigma into xi minus x bar equal to what? By cross multiplication we can write n minus 1 into h square. Okay, so therefore here n into sigma square is equal to, this is n minus 1 into s square. So this implies that n by n minus 1 into sigma square is equal to s square. Okay, so therefore s square equal to n by n minus 1 into sigma square. But actually here the sigma square is always less than or equal to range rules. square. This is the beautiful formula in statistics. So therefore, you come here. This actually that is equal to, we can write n by n minus 1, but the sigma square is less than or equal to r square. So therefore, compare with the given equation s square, r square less than or equal to. So instead of k, n by n minus 1 is there. So therefore, definitely k equal to n by n minus 1. So where is n by n minus 1? It is in second option. Hence the first error. Suppose a population capital E has 100 observations, 101, 102, 103 and so on to 100. Next, another population B, another data, 100 observations will be like that. If V suffix A, V means variance, capital A means VA means variance of the population capital, BB variance of this population. They find the value of VA divided by VB. This is the question. Right. For example, x1 comma x2 comma and so on, xn, and observations are there. Its variance, for example, sigma square. So we can say that simply variance of x is equal to sigma square. Simple representation. Variance of x, x means n observations. x1, x2 and so on, xn. Right. For example, take first observation, add something value k. Next, take second observation, add another value and so on, xn plus k. So we did add some fixed value k to each and every observation, or subtract like that. Then variance of this new means x plus or minus k. For each and every observation, we are adding some fixed k or subtracting some fixed k value. But this never change. This same, that is equal to sigma square. Means what? By adding one fixed value or subtracting one fixed value, it should not be affected with the original variance. Understand? This is the property of the variance. Similarly, the variance of multiplication, for example, ax1, ax2, and so on, axn. So that is the simple representation v of ax is equal to a square into variance of x, or a square into sigma square, a square into sigma square. Understand? It will be changed. So therefore, by all means, variance of ax plus b, that is equal to a square into variance of x, either plus or minus b should not be affected with the variance. Okay, so this is the main shortcut or formula of variance. Right, you come here. Variance VA. VA means variance of first group A. That is what? 101, 102, 103 and so on 200. Observe first 151 means he added 50 to first observation. I mean 101 plus 50, how much? 151. Next 102 plus 50, how much? 152. Next 103 plus 50, how much? 152. Similarly 200 plus 50, how much? 250. Understand? Here B is equal to, it is nothing but A elements plus 50 will be like that. Understand? So it is same as VA. It is same as VA. So this is VB. Understand? So therefore, VA by VB, that is equal to 1. So finally, even if we are adding or subtracting with some fixed value to each and every observation, then variance should not be changed. VA is equal to VB. In such a case, VA by VB equal to 1. Understand? Hence the problem. The variance of the first 50 even natural numbers is what? This is the question. Okay, 1 minute. The variance of first n natural numbers equal to, we need to know very well, x square minus 1 by 12 means variance of 1, 2, 3, and so on up to n is simply x square minus 1 by 12. I derived this proof also in board syllabus. Understand? Right. This is n square minus 1 by 20. So therefore, variance of 1, 2, 3, and so on 50 is what? 50 whole square minus 1 by 12. So that is equal to 2500 minus 1 by 12. Just like that. Okay, let me calculate. Next. What I said here, variance of ax equal to a square into variance of x. So multiply with 2 to each and every observation. Therefore, variance of 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 4 into 2, and so on into 2, 100. Okay, right? We multiplied with the 2. So a is equal to 2. It is nothing but 2 square into, for example, this is sigma square. Okay, so 50 square minus 1 divided by 12. So that is equal to, it is 4 into 50 square minus 1 divided by 12. That is equal to 50 square means 2500, 2500, 499 divided by 3. So that is equal to 833. Okay, 833. So it is what? Actually it is what? The even natural numbers means 2, 4. How many are there? 50. So therefore, variance of 50 even natural numbers. 50 even natural numbers equal to 833. These are all even natural numbers. How many are there? 2, 4, 6, and so on. Even numbers. So correct half of 50. So these are 50 even natural numbers. So therefore, the variance of 50 even natural numbers is 833. Is in second option. Hence the problem. Next question. The mean of 5 observations is 5. Out of which 3 observations are given, and its variance is 124. Then find the MD about the mean. This is the question. Important model. So let us take the observations 1, 2, 6. Actually, total 5 observations are there. 3 are known, and let it be the unknown observations x, y. Next, mean is what? Mean is 5. So therefore, its x bar is equal to 5. So that implies 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus x plus y divided by 5. That is equal to 5. So that implies 6, 8, 9. 9 plus x plus y equal to, by cross multiplication, 55. Then x plus y equal to 16. So we are having multiplication in terms of x comma y. So x plus y equal to 16. Right. Next, let us consider the variance 1 to 4. First, what is the question? MD of mean means x bar. What is the formula for improved data? This is the improved data. Understand? Right. For improved data, MD of x bar is equal to 1 by n into sigma modulus of xi minus x bar. So that is equal to 1 by 5 units are there. Sigma modulus of xi minus 5. So that is equal to 1 by 5 into sigma xi. I mean I goes to 1 to 5. We are having only 5 units. Namely, this is x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, just like that. So modulus of x1 means 1 minus 5 plus modulus of 2 minus 5 plus modulus of 6 minus 5 plus modulus of x minus 5 plus modulus of y minus 5. So that is equal to 1 by 5 into it is 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus we are playing logic. Modulus means always it is in positive sense. Therefore, this value will be taken as x minus 5 later plus this value will be taken as y minus 5. So that is equal to 1 by 5 into 7, 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10 plus x plus y. So that is equal to 1 by 5 into x plus y minus 2. That is equal to 1 by 5 into what is the value of x plus y? 16. 16 minus 2. That is equal to 14 by 5. 14 by 5 means second option is right. Let x bar and MD be the mean and mean deviation about x bar of n observations x1, x2, and so on, xn. N observations are given x1, x2, and so on, xn. These are the n observations, right? Its mean is x bar and mean deviation is denoted by m, right? Next, if each of the observations is increased by 5, then find new mean and mean about the new mean respectively. This is the question, right? 1 minute. Original observations x1, x2, and so on, xn. These are the observations. Okay, its mean is x bar and MD. It is MD, mean deviation of the original data, right? New observations. x1 it is increased by 5, means x1 plus 5. Second observation, x2 plus 5. 5 is added to each and every observation, and so on. xn plus 5. xn plus 5. This is the data. So we have to find the mean of this new data first. What I said already about mean. For example, x1, x2, and so on, xn. Its mean is x bar. If you are adding x1 plus k, x2 plus k, and so on, xn plus k, then the new mean is x bar old x bar plus k. If it is minus, it is also minus. In the same sense, its mean means the mean of new data is old, just like that, old plus 5. Understand? Next, another point. What about MD? If we are adding a fixed constant to each and every observation, understand? Right here, actually, even if we are adding or subtracting with a fixed constant, then MD also never change, will be the same. So therefore, which option is right? Mean x bar plus 5 and MD. So therefore, second option is right. Hence the position. Consider the first 10 positive digits. If we multiply each number by -1 and then add 1 to each number, then the variance of the numbers so obtained is what? This is the question. Okay. First 10 positive integers, 1, 2, 3, and so on, 10. Okay, first I shall find variance of x. Means variance of x means this is x1, this is x2, and so on. This is xn. So variance, actually these are the n natural numbers starting from 1 to 10. We have one beautiful formula, n square minus 1 by 12, whereas n equal to 10. So this is 10 square minus 1 divided by 12. So this is 100 minus 1 by 12, that is equal to 99 by 12. It is 3 4 ja, next 3 3s are 3 3s are. So that is equal to 33. 33 divided by 4. 4 8 ja, 32, 1.0. So 4 2s are 8, remainder 2, 4 5s are 20. So it is 8.25. So therefore, variance of x equal to 8.25. Already I said one formula, variance of ax plus b or minus b, that is equal to a square into variance of x. Means if you are multiplying to each and every observation with a and either add b or subtracting b, then its value is equal to a square into original variance. It is the complete meaning of variance of ax plus or minus b. Okay, you come to here. What is the question? If we multiply each and every number by -1, means if x is a rational number, we are multiplying with the -1 and adding 1 means plus add 1. So it is the question. Simply the question is variance of -1 into x plus 1. So that is equal to, it is in the form of ax plus b. So a square means -1 whole square into variance of x. So 1 into variance of x. So it is nothing but variance of x. Variance of x is 8.25. 8.25 means it is a first option. Hence the second. The first of two samples has 100 items with the mean 15 and ASB is equal to 3. If the whole group has 250 items with the mean 15.6 and ASB equal to root of 13.44, then SD of second group is what? SD means standard deviation. First we have to find the variance. Variance equal to sigma square. SD is equal to whole root of sigma square. That's all. So even if the question is about SD, first we have to find the sigma square variance. Right? This is the total group. So this is first group. This one is the second group. The first of two samples has 100 items, means n1 equal to 100. Okay. Next, total equal to, he has given 250. Total 250. Therefore, definitely second group will contains 150 items. Next, okay. The first of two samples has 100 items with the mean 15. With the mean 15. Mean means x1 bar equal to 15, SD equal to 3, SD equal to 3 means what? Sigma. SD means sigma. Therefore, variance sigma square equal to 9. But it is about first. Therefore, it is better to write 1. Next, it is over. Next, if the whole group has 250, okay, we wrote the same. With the mean means x bar equal to 15.6 and sigma equal to whole root of 13.44. Therefore, sigma square equal to 13.44. It is the given data. Now, what is the question? Then SE of second group means second group sigma 2 is what? That is sigma 2 square equal to what? Right, 1 minute. Actually, two groups are there. So, the combined mean x bar equal to N1 x1 bar plus N2 x2 bar whole divided by N1 plus N2. So, this is the combined mean. Next, x bar combined mean is 50.6. This 50.6, that is equal to N1 is what? 100. 100 into x1 bar 15 into 15 plus N2 150 into x2 bar whole divided by 250, total 250. So that implies by cross multiplication 15.6 into 250, that is equal to 100 into 15 plus 150 into x2 bar. So that implies 15.6 into 250 minus 100 into 15 whole divided by 150, that is equal to x2 bar. Understand? Therefore x2 bar equal to 16. On simplification, we are getting 16. So therefore here x2 bar equal to 16, and the combined variance sigma square is equal to sigma square is equal to, understand? Did you remember the combined variance sigma square formula 1 divided by n1 plus n2 into n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 n2 divided by n1 plus n2 into x1 bar minus x2 bar whole square. So that is implied. Sigma square is what? Sigma square, it is given 13.44, that is equal to 1 by n1 plus n2 250. It is 250 into n1 is what? 100 into sigma 1 square equal to 9. It is 9 plus n2 150 into sigma 2 square. We don't know sigma 2 square. Of course, it is our question. Next, n1 into n1 100 into 150 divided by 250 into x1 bar t minus 16 whole square. Understand? Okay, so by calculating this equation, we are getting sigma 2 square is equal to 16. So sigma 2 equal to root 16, that is equal to 4. Hence, which option is right? First option is right. Next question. The marks of some students were list out of 75. The SD of marks was found to be 9. Subsequently, the the marks were raised to a maximum of 100 and variance of new marks was calculated. The new variance is what? So find the new variance. Right. Let x be the marks out of 75 is he got out of 75 x marks. So therefore subsequently the marks were raised to maximum of 100. Next, therefore for 100 the student will get x by 75 into 100. It is 25 4 25 3 so 4x by 3. Now we have to find the variance of this new marks. It is new marks means what? First student will get 4x1 by 3. Second student will get 4x2 by 3. Third student will get 4x3 by 3. Just like that and so on. Nth student 4xn by 3. Just like that. Now we have to find the variance of such new data. So variance of 4x by 3. Actually I said already variance of a into x equal to simply a square into variance of x and variance of ax plus or minus b equal to a square into v of x, variance of x. So that is equal to, it is 4 by 3 whole square into variance of x, that is equal to 16 by 9 into variance of x. Actually here it is given as SD equal to 9, that is sigma equal to 9, therefore sigma square equal to 9 square. So this is 9 square. So therefore 16 by 9 into 9 cancel, that is equal to 144. There is 140 is in third option, hence the proper sign. Consider the set of 201 observations x1, x2 and so on x2 not 1. It is given that x1 less than x2 less than and so on less than x200 less than x201. What does it mean? x1 comma x2 comma x3 and so on x201 are in ascending order. They are in ascending order. Actually when we are going to find the median for ungrouped data, the data must be in ascending order. Understand? This is the right procedure. That's why already he put in ascending order all the n means 201 observations. Okay, right. Then MD mean deviation of this data about the point K minimum is minimum. Then what is the value of K? Actually question is MD is equal to, actually formula is 1 by n into sigma modulus of psi minus A. Here A is what? A maybe mean or median or mode. Understand? Of course we don't have the syllabus, the topic of mode. Our mode is out of syllabus, right? MD, this is the formula. I am telling that this MD will attain minimum when capital A is equal to median. So therefore if MD is calculated about median, then it will become minimum. Understand? Right. So therefore, it is enough to find the median of this data. The data is having 201 observations. Understand? So therefore, observations are data x1 comma x2 comma and so on x201. These odd number. Understand? Right? Already I said when n is odd number, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. What is that? 2th observation or term. Here n is what? 201. So it is 201 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 202 divided by that is equal to 201 with the observation. Understand? So therefore at x equal at 2x201 only will times minimum. Where is that x101 observation? It is a third option. Hence third option is